Have you seen the recent viral hyper-realistic TED speakers? They were all generated by the latest Flux AI drawing model. Just when the public had become familiar with Stable Diffusion and Midjourney AI drawing models, an unexpected open-source dark horse emerged in the AI drawing field. In early August, Black Forest Labs was established, with core team members all being former Stable Diffusion key members. They quickly secured $31 million in seed funding and released the Flux Drawing Series model with 12 billion parameters, producing image effects rivaling Midjourney. Flux released both open-source and closed-source models simultaneously. These include open-source Flux Dev and Flux Schnell, and closed-source Flux Pro. From actual test results, the open-source model's effects are not better than the closed-source ones, but they can be downloaded and deployed locally. Currently, all versions of Flux Drawing have been launched on the Anakin platform. No need to go through complicated hands-on processes. Directly use Flux to generate hyper-realistic images online. All you need to do is search Anakin AI on Google and sign up using your email. When you sign up, go to the Artist app and click this drop-down menu to see all the available AI image generator models. Select your desired model and paste your prompt in this box. Next, you can select the aspect ratio, number of outputs, and image format. Finally, hit the Generate button and wait for the result. If you like the generated image, you can download it and use it anywhere you want. Or you can also try to test out the same prompt with different Flux models. You can also compare the Flux images with Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3 models. We have all the popular models here. Now, generating good AI images requires detailed prompting. If you're not good at prompting, don't worry. Anakin AI has got your back. You can use our Flux One prompt generator to help you create unique prompts with just a few clicks. If you want to generate photos created by others but don't know how to fill in the prompts, you can also use this image-to-prompt application to reverse guess the image's prompts and then have Flux recreate the image. Just upload the image and click Generate. You'll see the corresponding prompt on the right. Copy and paste it into Flux to regenerate the image. In addition to the latest AI image generators, Anakin AI provides authorized access to various AI models, including the latest GPT-4, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 1.5 Pro, Metallama 3.145B, and many others through proper channels. By using a legitimate service, you avoid the risk of sudden account terminations or bans. Plus, when you sign up, you get 30 free credits daily, which is enough to test out all the latest LLM models. If you need more, you can refer a friend to get additional 200 credits. Our paid plans are also affordable and scalable. Anakin AI is a comprehensive suite of AI tools designed to meet all your needs in one place. Whether you're looking to generate creative content, images, or even build powerful AI apps without any coding knowledge, Anakin AI has you covered. We offer over 1,000 pre-built AI apps tailored for various needs and industries. Our platform is continuously updated with the latest advancements in AI technology, making it the go-to resource for the best tools available. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI tools, updates, and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest features and special offers.